Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here at Marine Sanctuary. We're going to get some fish. So you see, I have my bonnet. And here's are my colleagues. Actually, this is a on-the-spot activity since we're on lockdown. So for us to kill sometimes, we're here at Cueva. I have some worms here, which we're going to. This will serve as a bait. And we're here. So we additional bait. So we're here. Actually, this is the boundary of Ibanians or Iba Marine Sanctuary. In this area, we are allowed to have some fishing activities, but over there, it's not allowed. So just stay, and we're going to have our first day of fishing. Please watch the next video if we have successfully catch some fish or not. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe, Chico.